Alright, another quick little stash update. Picked up a case of these. Whoa. This one's pretty new there, the Oink Oink. Picked up a case of the Matters No More chairs. And I saved the best for last here. The Wampin' Motherfucking Willow. Yeah, these things are pretty serious. Baseball season, alright. Case of these. They're pretty nice. Can't wait to get a demo up for those. Maybe tonight, hopefully. That's it though for now. A little bit here and there. Keep getting little bits, you know. As I get them, I'll post them. Alright. Till next one. Later.